Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for these zebra shades. I've already been using this for over a month now, and these are some great shades to have if you want to update how your windows look. The way to install them, you have to drill in these brackets right here, and then once you drill those in, it has a push pin right here just to slide it in. So on the inside here, there's some grooves that you push it in. So let me show you. It's very easy to do. So what you do, you're gonna put the bracket from here first and then push it and then lift it up. Pro tip, bring this down a little bit so that way that you have that extra space. Like so. So you're gonna start from the top, push forward, adjust it, and it's already installed. So let me show you how they look. So this is how the shade looks. It has a good cloth material. This one is nice and thick. And then you have like a little mesh right here for the semi-privacy. See? And then this is a heavy duty plastic. Here's a handle to pull it up and down. And then you're even, if you want to secure it, you just screw it down. This is how the header looks. Nice plastic. The color is a nice color. So this is the light gray color. So once they're installed, you can bring it down and you can see how the zebra shades look. They scroll down very easily. If you want full blockage, you bring it all the way down like so. So you get the full privacy. If you bring it up a little bit, then you get partial privacy. Right, so the light still comes inside, and then you're able to lift it up as far up as you want, and then you adjust it how you want it. So we leave it just like that to show partial privacy, and we're still getting the light inside. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great zebra shades. I like how well that the shade is made. It's a nice material to here. It's very durable, has a good weight to it. I like the added benefit that this comes with a handle, so it's easy to bring it up and down. I also like how you're able to set up either the semi-privacy or the full privacy. I like how well the blackout feature works. So this is a great buy. This is a great upgrade for any windows in your house.